I'm Anil Kumar, and with help of very simple examples, we will understand how to write sinusoidal functions for a given amplitude and time period. The question here is, write equation of the sinusoidal function with following characteristics. A. Amplitude of 3 and period of cycle as 120 degrees. Part B is to write a sinusoidal function with amplitude of 0.5 and period of cycle as 720 degrees. Now here what we can say is amplitude A is given to us as 3 and time period T is given to us as 120 degrees. Now in general we can write down equation of a sinusoidal function as y equals to a sine kx, where k is equals to, since it is in degrees, 360 degrees over the time period t. Now time period is 120, so we can write this as 360 degrees divided by 120, and that is equals to 3. Now we know a is 3, k is also 3 in this particular case, and therefore we can write the sine function as y equals to 3 sine 3x. So that is how you get your equation. Now what you can do is you can actually sketch this function and see how it looks like. Let us write down the equation for the second function. So we'll follow the same process. In general, we want equation of the form y equals to a sine kx, where a is given to us as 0.5, so a is 0.5, k will be, and t is given to us 720 degrees, so k is 360 degrees divided by t, which is 360 degrees divided by 720 degrees, or half. Substitute these values to get the equation, which is y equals to 0.5 or half sine of half x, right? So that is your sinusoidal functions equation. So now you can also sketch this function. So let's sketch both these functions here. So we'll get sine always starts with 0, so it could be sketched like a graph like this. Correct? Now this is how it should be sketched so easily. Let me just show you. So what we have here is the maximum value of 0.5, minimum value of minus 0.5, and time period of 720 degrees, correct? So that'll be 360 for us, right? Half of 360 will be 180 degrees, and then you can have 3 times 180, which will be 0,540 degrees, correct? So that is how the function is. This one, amplitude is 3, so maximum 3, minimum is minus 3, and the time period for us is 120 degrees. Let me write here 120 degrees, so this will be 60, 90 degrees, 30 degrees, and 90 degrees. So that is how you'll sketch these functions and write their equations. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.